right. Yeah. So I came home real fast to get this video done because it's really important to me that I do a video this semester because it's my last semester. Yes, that is correct. I graduate in December. If you don't know what month that is, it's right after November. I'm just playing with y'all, but no, but seriously. My name is Roberto Singleton. I go by RJ. I'm currently in the dual program for MPA and criminal justice. And like I said, it's my final semester, so I'm ecstatic to be doing this video. My interests are videography, photography, entrepreneurship. I currently have my own business called Bobbleheads with a Z. www.bobbleheadswithaztlh.com if you ask. I currently work as a case manager, so I deal with a lot of behavioral health, psychology background, and I have a graduate certificate in marriage and family counseling. And with those things, as well as this MPA and criminal justice master's degree, so ultimately my goal would be to be a criminal profiler. That's just my end goal. Outside of my interests is my main dedication is family. I got 4 kids, a wife, a dog. That's it. I could have made it sound a lot longer than that, but I actually wanted them to be here, but I snuck home on my break to do this video. All right, so we're gonna get into 2 truths and a lie, which is the game I like to play. So I won $1,000 on the scratch off last month. I have a 16-year-old daughter, and for the sake of this video, I turned my couch facing the window. Comment below which one you think is a lie, and I'll let you know if you got it right or not. Hey, I look forward to conversing with y'all throughout this class. Hey, see you there.